I will kick their ass, these boys.
इसीलिए हमने मार्शल आर्ट्स ऐसे सारे वीडियोस बना के रख रहे हैं कि बॉस संभल के.
When was the last time you searched yourself on Google?
Half an hour. अब बहुत हो गया. अब मुझे जो करना है मैं वो करूँगा, नहीं तो नहीं करूँगा. और OTT के लिए ये मेरा डेब्यू है. इससे पहले मैंने कभी OTT नहीं किया और मना भी करता रहा. ऐसा भी नहीं कि कोई सीरीज़ नहीं आए, लेकिन कुछ इतना इंटरेस्टिंग मुझे कुछ अपील नहीं करा था. मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था जहाँ पे लार्जर देन लाइफ कैरेक्टर हो.
Bobby, I'm so lazy, I can't tell you. I go to the set, I work, I come back, and then I just want to sit down on the couch and just chill.
Hello everyone, this is Ocean Fernandez from Midday.com, and today we are in conversation with the cast of Commander Karan Saxena. We have Iqbal Khan and Gurmeet Chaudhary. Hi you guys, welcome.
Very good, how are you?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So I'm going to start off by asking you about your roles respectively, because the teaser what we have, I mean, it's established that you're the protagonist, you're the antagonist, but can you give us something more about the role that you're playing?
So basically the name of my character is Nasir.
Yeah.
And he's a patriot and he can do anything for his country. The only difference between him and Commander is that there's an evil streak that he has, and that makes him not really nice. And but he's not a typical villain, and that makes him interesting. It's very easy on the eyes in terms of the performance, and nothing over the top. Very regular, very basic. Even when it comes to his clothes and the way he talks, and even if keeping the climax aside,
yeah.
Apart from that, everything is very basic and regular and very coolly done. He's a extremely cool guy with really bad intentions.
Would you describe this character as someone who is, like you said, a patriot? But then are we going to see some sort of like a backstory in the show?
Unfortunately not. So we haven't really got into any backstory as such. But I think it's the minute we get into a backstory, we always we kind of give things an upper hand and a certain kind of a justification why it's happening. So I think we deliberately haven't gone on that path because it's absolutely massy, and anyone can watch it. And if someone's bad, it's bad.
Yeah.
Let's not get into how he became bad. The point is, let's not be bad. So it's as simple as that.
Gurmeet, you underwent this massive transformation and you've been documenting your journey. How was that? I mean, the intense action sequences and the drill that you went into.
So it was tough, yeah. Commander play करना it was very tough because आपको fit रहना पड़ेगा. आपको जो हमने जिस तरीके से हमने शूट भी किया ऑन लोकेशन, लाइव लोकेशन पे हमने जो शूट किया है, बहुत सारे एक्शन सीक्वेंस थे, बहुत सारी चेजिंग थे, तो मुझे ये पता था कि यार इसमें कुछ इजी नहीं होने वाला है. और हमारी स्टोरी भी ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई एक जगह पे कमांडर बैठा हुआ है और वहाँ से वो ऑपरेट कर रहा है. तो आई थिंक ये मुझे पसंद भी था. तो मुझे लगा कि अगर आप सेट पे जाने से पहले एक तैयारी तो कर ही लेते हैं. ऐसे तो फिट तो रहता ही हूँ, लेकिन कमांडर की अलग ट्रेनिंग थी, चाहे वो स्प्रिंटिंग हो, किक बॉक्सिंग हो. डैड आर्मी में रहे तो उनसे थोड़ी ट्रेनिंग ली. तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैंने लकीली डॉक्यूमेंट भी किया, बिकॉज आज के टाइम पे इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप लोगों के सामने ये भी रखो कि यार हम ये सारी जर्नी से गुजरना पड़ता है, ताकि तब जाके आप एक किरदार करते हो.
So Gurmeet, like you mentioned, आप फौजी फैमिली से हैं. You have done something similar in Paltan as well. Are these characters is what attracts you, the first thing?
वेल पल्टन पूरी आर्मी बेस थी. यहाँ पे कमांडर करण सक्सेना एक रॉ एजेंट है. दोनों का काम थोड़ा अलग होता है, लेकिन दोनों का एक काम होता है देश को बचाते हैं. वेल मतलब मुझे ऐसे भी एक्शन बहुत पसंद है यार. मैंने लेकिन कभी मौका नहीं मिला, आपने मुझे कभी आउट एंड आउट एक्शन करते हुए देखा नहीं होगा. पल्टन में वॉर था, लेकिन बहुत दूर से गन फाइट हो रहा है या जो भी एक्शन थे, इतने कुछ हमने मेरा कुछ कैरेक्टर इतना कुछ एक्शन में इतना इन्वॉल्व नहीं था पल्टन में. बट जिस तरीके से कमांडर में तो काफ़ी कुछ है. तो ऐसे रोल मुझे बहुत पसंद आते हैं. आप जब कुछ बहुत पसंद करने लगते हो तो वो आपको मिल भी जाता है. तो मैं पिछले 1-2 साल से यही था कि यार अब बहुत हो गया, अब मुझे जो करना है मैं वो करूँगा, नहीं तो नहीं करूँगा। और OTT के लिए ये मेरा डेब्यू है। इससे पहले मैंने कभी OTT नहीं किया और मना भी करता रहा, ऐसा भी नहीं कि कोई सीरीज़ नहीं आए, लेकिन कुछ इतना इंटरेस्टिंग मुझे कुछ अपील नहीं करा था। मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था जहाँ पे लार्जर देन लाइफ कैरेक्टर हो, एक्शन हो, मासी सीरीज़ है, कमर्शियल है, डायलॉग बाजी है, देश को लेके बात है, इमोशनल है, माँ का एंगल है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। तो आई थिंक इससे अच्छा कुछ ब्रेक मिल ही नहीं सकता था। तो OTT में मेरा ये मुझे लगता है कि ये बेस्ट डेब्यू है। पहला टीवी में रामायण था और उसके बाद यहाँ पे मुझे कमांडर करण सक्सेना का मौका मिला करने का।
Iqbal, your journey in the industry has been quite commendable because you started off as this heartthrob. All the girls were like, "Oh my God, this guy is something to watch." And as you transitioned, now you have the salt and pepper look, and you're doing all these versatile roles. The transition has been something. Was it a conscious decision to not do something that is repetitive and try on something and experiment?
Not at all. Actually, there's nothing. It's just that I've just gone with the flow in terms of the work I've got, and I have to be very honest that I've been very lucky with the kind of work that I've got. I've never been the kind of person who would probably get into agendas and have backup plans and make a strategy of those sorts. Nothing at all. Absolutely nothing. It's just that things have been, God has been very kind to me, and things have fallen into place at the right time. So that's how it's been. I'll give zero credit to myself.
Awesome. Now there's one similarity, although you're the antagonist and the protagonist. The similarity is you both are girl dads. Yes. So how has that been? Is it like life changing to be a girl dad?
I think for me, first of all, you start looking at women very differently because you have a girl.
Yes.
So that is one thing that, if you're lucky, that is that change that comes into you. I'm lucky. So I look at women very differently now, and I don't know how the feeling is of being a father of a boy, but father of a girl is very different. I anyways come from a small town. I'm slightly possessive about the ones I love. With daughters in your life, you're crazy. My wife sometimes tells me, even my daughter, my older one, she's 12. She tells me, you're slightly crazy. But then that's how I think a father is always. My wife also sometimes tells me, you're doing this a little over the top. But then I always tell her, my daughter, and I'm a father.
Yes.
So don't expect me to have a thought process of a mother of a daughter, because maybe there's this a female thing happening.
Yes.
But for me, that's my world out there. So it's like that.
Awesome. What about you, Gurmeet?
आई थिंक इससे अच्छी बात कुछ नहीं हो सकती। 2 लड़कियां हैं।
Yes.
आई बीन लकी कि लड़कियां ज़्यादा फैन रही हैं और उनके सपोर्ट से यहाँ तक पहुँचे हैं। घर पे 2 लड़कियां हैं, 2 अब बेटियों का अलग ही है।
3
हाँ 3 तो हाँ नहीं, उसके सामने तो मैं बैठा हूँ, देवीना के सामने, तो वो अलग बात है। बट हाँ, जब घर पे आप आते हो ना, उससे अच्छा सुकून कुछ नहीं मिलता। बट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। आप पहले एक होता था कि चलो ठीक है, मैं और देवीना कभी भी कहीं भी चले जाते थे, घूम के आते थे। देवीना तो ऐसे भी बहुत ध्यान रखते, लेकिन मैं बहुत ही वो हूँ कि यार लड़कियाँ, इनके ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है, चोट नहीं लगनी चाहिए, सही टाइम पे सब कुछ होना चाहिए। तो वो जो फीलिंग है ना, वो मुझे लगता है कि आई डोंट नो, मतलब लड़का है नहीं तो मैं बता नहीं सकता, लेकिन लड़का होता तो शायद मैं उसको थोड़ा कान भी पकड़ लेता, थोड़ा डांट भी देता, थोड़ा ये भी कर देता। लड़की है बॉस, वो तो मतलब दिल के पास है यार। मतलब सुबह उठते मुझे वो दोनों एंड ऑफ कोर्स देवीना, तीनों चाहिए मेरे पास। वैसा फील है अभी।
I'm just I always keep thinking when they grow up, then things are going to change a little,
Yeah.
Maybe you would not be their first preference, when they go out and about, like friends versus parent. What are you going to do then?
I might break a couple of faces. I have a feeling.
Are you going to gate crash?
I don't think I'll take it to that level. I'll make sure that she has a reputation of this gangster dad.
Like, exactly, because daughters, like, especially if there's a guy friend, And when they see the girl's father, and they're like,
I will kick their ass. These boys.
इसीलिए हमने मार्शल आर्ट्स
हाँ,
ऐसे
पहले से
सारे
तैयारी करके
BTS
रखी है।
वीडियोस बना के रख रहे हैं कि बॉस संभल के.
So now we're going to play a quick game. So it's on-set shenanigans. So I'm going to ask you a couple of questions, and you're going to tell me who is most likely to do these things on set. Okay? Who is the most likely to be on time?
Both of us come on time.
Who is most likely to laugh during a shot?
मतलब वो एक बार आ गया तो फिर रुकता नहीं है. टेक्स
Who
टाइम.
is most likely to forget their lines?
You're okay.
बहुत तैयारी करके जाते हैं. स्क्रिप्ट पहले मिल जाती है ना तो बहुत तैयारी करके पहुंचते हैं.
Who spends most hours in the gym?
I think him.
Who spends more time in the makeup vanity?
यार पता नहीं. आई थिंक
I take 6 minutes.
हाँ
Wow.
मुझे बोलना पड़ेगा अरविंद दादा को ऐसा नहीं. तुम लोग कर क्या रहे हो आधे 40 घंटे मिनट से क्या कर रहे हो मेरे ऊपर.
And who is the biggest foodie on set?
I am, and I indulge also. He is, but he doesn't.
Yeah, there's more restrictions because of the diet, I believe.
हाँ.
So now we have some fun set of questions, and you have to be really quick. So it's called Know Your Stars. To each, your first house in Mumbai.
गोरेगांव वेस्ट शिव शक्ति. या
Versova.
Good and bad thing about Mumbai monsoons.
आई लव मानसून. या सब कुछ अच्छा है. हाँ रास्ते मतलब
What about you?
Bad traffic jams
Yes.
and mucky, wet, and from the minute you enter your building to enter your house, your shoes, marks, and blah blah blah, all that. That's bad. And good part is that just before that, the heat you've got that heat, and now suddenly you feel slightly better.
Have you ever given up a food item for a role?
या मैंने समोसा 14 साल से नहीं खाया.
Ah.
एक्टिंग के लिए छोड़ दिया.
What about you?
I have never given up anything. I'm thinking. I don't like वो भिंडी जैसी भिंडी नहीं वो फ्रेंच बीन जैसी थी पतली पतली. Gawar is what I don't like. I haven't given up. I just don't like it.
Yeah, you just don't like it. Okay. One skill or hobby you have picked up recently?
स्प्रिंटिंग.
I'm so lazy. I can't tell you. I go to the set. I work. I come back, and then I just want to sit down on the couch and just chill.
Do you not indulge in something with your daughters, like some activity that they do,
Uh,
where they want you to like tag along?
So basically, the older one, all these girls basically, no matter how old or young they are always into nails and makeup and
Do they paint
everything.
your nails?
Initially they used to, but just the ones, especially the ones which they
The
stick
one,
on you.
yeah.
That's not good, yeah. That really screws up your nails. So that's something that I really stay far away from. And obviously, you don't want to put those masks and all because you never know what's going to happen to your face.
Oh my god.
So,
I think you're gonna get there.
मेरा लियाना तो पापा करके उसका टाइम पास है.
Name one film that you've watched this year and which completely blew your mind and you would recommend.
ओपनहाइमर.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice pick.
I saw it late. I saw Interstellar.
Oh,
I think it just blew my mind.
वाओ.
It just blew my mind.
for anyone who hasn't watched,
Yes.
what's your favorite holiday destination at the moment,
लंदन.
despite the weather?
कैसा भी वेदर हो.
What about you?
Mine is forever Kashmir because I'm a Kashmiri.
Lovely,
हाँ.
lovely.
कुछ तो आपको जाने की जरूरत नहीं है एक्चुअली. इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है वो.
हाँ.
राइट.
When was the last time you searched yourself on Google?
हाफ एन आवर बैक.
I really thought that was like many years ago. What about you?
I don't remember.
You know,
No.
you're not even on social media, are
I'm
you?
not, I'm not.
Why?
It's a long story.
One hidden talent you wish people knew about you.
एक्टर के सारे टैलेंट तो निकल आते हैं यार.
हाँ.
सब तो दिखा देते हैं. आजकल सोशल मीडिया में आप
Yeah, and Gurmeet is very active.
हाँ वेरी एक्टिव तो बचा
There's
कुछ
nothing.
नहीं.
No,
टैलेंट अभी सीखना
because you're
पड़ता
not on
है.
social media.
मुझे इस्त्री बहुत अच्छी आती करनी. Really, no, really. So I make sure I iron my own clothes. I don't like anybody else's ironing. Yeah.
But are we gonna like see you? Do you have a hidden account?
I have a locked Facebook account.
Facebook.
Because
on Instagram or anything like that.
no,
है वो, लेकिन है, हम लोग जाके देख सकते हैं, लेकिन ये खुद नहीं देखते.
वो
Any particular reason why you refrain from social media?
no, as I said, I'm very lazy,
So
and
you just don't want to.
no, it's I think a lot goes into it.
Yeah.
A lot goes.
It takes up your time.
Yeah, it takes up your time, and you also need to kind of enjoy doing it, which
Yes.
I don't.
Yes.
And I'm nothing against it. I think it's amazing. I sometimes envy people who do it, and it's just that even if I start, within few minutes I'll be like, what the, So it just doesn't come. I don't know, somehow. Yeah.
Unlike you, I mean,
A lot.
over 4 million followers.
ऑप्शन ही नहीं है यार, अब तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हो गई है. 2 दिन अगर नहीं डाला तो तीसरे दिन से मैसेजेस आने लगते, भाई ऑल गुड,
Yeah, all good.
क्या हुआ, मतलब रुक जा थोड़ा, कुछ भी तो नहीं डाल दूंगा. उठ के सेल्फी तो
But
नहीं
you
डाल.
have so much going on. I mean, your daughters are like the stars of social media today. तो उनका कुछ भी आता है, it's headlines out there. But are you going to be the parent who probably draws a line at some point?
हो या आई मीन मैं और देवना काफ़ी क्लियर है इस मामले में. वो बिल्कुल भी टीवी नहीं देखते.
No
यू
screen
नो
time whatsoever.
नो, थोड़ा कभी तो कभी, मतलब खाना वो खुद से मतलब बैठेंगे, कोई फोन टीवी नॉट अलाउड.
Gup.
सच में बिल्कुल नहीं. सिर्फ गाना लगा दो, डांस करेंगे साथ में. टीवी बहुत कम होता है यार.
खाना खाने के टाइम भी नहीं.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. ये मुझे ना बहुत पहले मुझे और देवीना को डरा दिया था कि यार
ये डाल सोशल मीडिया पे कैसे करते तुम ये?
Yeah.
ये डाला हुआ है, ये भी चला गया, कंटेंट कुछ बचा नहीं, फ्रेश कुछ होना चाहिए.
That's amazing.
Exactly, because I too have a daughter and she will not budge if her poems are not there, when you're feeding her and all of that.
देवीना इन दैट केस वो बहुत ही वो है यार.
Very strict.
मील भी जो जाना है 7 के 7 दिन होंगे, वो अलग मील जाएंगे ताकि बच्चे खाते समय इंजॉय
Very
करके खा.
meticulous about it.
सारी चीज़ें हैं, मतलब वो सब हैंडल करती है.
Awesome, and that's a wrap.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.